Morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today it's a beautiful Sunday in Cape Town. I've done a few setups that I want to test out. So I've got my Bluetooth headset connected to my Insta360 Ace Pro 2. So we're just going to see how clear the sound is. There isn't a breath of wind today. I have changed the settings on the camera to account for wind reduction, even though there isn't much wind. But of course, when we're riding, we might get some wind, so we're just going to hear that. So with this device, what's pretty cool is you can use the internal mic on the camera, and you can mix it with the headset sound. So you can decide if you want to have more headset bias or if you want to have more internal mic bias. So yeah, let's see how that works out. I've also got the GPS activity stats connected on the Insta360 app, and we'll see how that looks on the dashboard. So yeah, some really cool features we're going to try today. I'm just going to talk a little bit while we're riding, and we'll get a feel for how good the sound really is. So I'm busy cruising at about 60 kilometers per hour, normal speed in the residential area. Just want to hear how the mic sounds, testing, etc. I was having a lekker time, playing some paddle. Right, we're up to 80 kilometers per hour. Just taking in all that wind. Just get out here. Alright, so we're at cruising speed now. Maximum speed limit is a 120, so we're just going to cruise around the 120 while I talk, and then we can get a feel for how the wind's affecting the sound, if there's any distortion or peaking. So this camera, when I did my research, something I was really keen on was a camera that is kind of a do-it-all kind of camera. It's really good for motovlogging, but also for your daily life vlogging. And what's really cool about this one, the upgrade from the Ace Pro, is the mic. So in front of the camera, you've got a nice little wind reduction foam cover. Protects the mic. Of course, when you put this camera underwater, you have to remove that insert and put a flat insert on. But I don't plan on doing any underwater activities with this camera. I've owned this bike for a year now, just over a year, put on over 10,000 kilometers on. I do try and commute daily to work with it. Really nice bike for pretty much weekend rides, long rides, if you want to do something away from home, commuting to work. It does everything. There's our beautiful Table Mountain. What a view. People are out and about fishing and surfing and walking on the beach. You can see there's a few surfboards. I mean, such a beautiful day. Why wouldn't you want to be out and about, eh? So much to love about Cape Town, specifically the coastline up the west coast. Oh, look at that. Oh, hey guys. How's it looking up there? Keep in mind, it's only 10 o'clock in the morning. Have a look how busy it is here. Get a look at that view. So the Bluetooth headset I'm using is actually fucking good. The JSQ8 Bluetooth headset. I was quite surprised that it connected to the Insta360. I mean, if you look online at their website, they basically support all the big brands, Senna, Cardo, you know, those type of brands. But yeah, I mean, it works, and if it works, why not use it? If I don't like it, then I'll consider getting a USB Type-C mic. Let me try that. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please like, subscribe, follow my channel. Quite new to this, but I'm enjoying it so far, and I hope you are too. This is the Smarties Moto out.